Hello everyone and welcome. If you are new here, I'm Samantha. I talk about buying things to resell for a profit. If that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. It helps me out, but I'm also going to be putting out a ton of content to help you guys make some money as well. So this is going to be a follow-up video to my prior one where I go to sell on the spot to like Plato's and Style Encore. Now, if you're not familiar with those type of stores, basically what they are is a buy on the spot thrift store. So they will pay you cash for your gently used item, new or used items. So there's also mom and pop shops. So if you don't have a Plato's Closet or a Style Encore near you, make sure you're Googling it to try and see if local thrift stores are willing to buy on the spot. I know there are some consignment shops that do this as well. So today I will go over what they did not take. Then you can go and watch the other one just to see. They actually took like 3/4 of what I showed you guys, so I'm really excited. I made a total of $317.97. Now something I do also is either I will leave and come back and just get the money, but today I decided to shop around a little bit. For myself, I was looking for a few items to finish out my wardrobe for this road trip that's coming up. Or B, I will just buy to flip. So I'm going to go over those items as well so you can see what I'm going to buy to flip, or maybe just see what I bought for myself. Who knows? So keep watching, guys. I can't wait to bring this content. All right, so they did not take these Lucky jeans. I do believe these are men's. So Style Encore does not take men's clothing. Plato's does, but unfortunately I was crunched for time, so the $317 was only from Style. If I would have went to Plato's, I probably would have made another $100, and they probably would have taken these for sure. I have to go back though. I just didn't have enough time. They didn't take this Venus cardigan. And there's a few flaws on it, so I kind of figured they wouldn't take it, but it's really cute, so I'll probably be listing this myself. Now this again is another item that Plato's would take over Style. It's Abercrombie & Fitch, and Style Encore is more of an older women's style versus teen, and Abercrombie is typically a teen one. They didn't take this Sonoma. This again, I'm sure Plato's would have taken that. It's a style that they would have. Same with this Express tank top. It's not really a older woman style. It's more of like a teenager. Now, me personally, like, I don't like care about styles. So yeah, I'm 28. I would probably wear a lot of that stuff that Plato's would take, but this is just because at Style, they only take clothes that are to their population, you know, of who's going to be coming in buying, versus Plato's, mostly teens and stuff go in there and not really anybody my age. I mean, you will occasionally see older people go in there, but typically it's just younger generation. They didn't take this Colts windbreaker. I would think that Plato's would take it, but I don't know. This Zara basic tee. Plato's will take that one, I am almost positive. Again with this Roxy. I wish I would have went there. I'm really sad. You guys would have had a better outcome video, but that's okay, because if you watch, they took so many items from the other one. They didn't take this Liz Claiborne. More than likely, it's just because of it's really cold. And yeah, they take year round, but they don't take as much short sleeves right now just because the style changes. This Banana Republic linen blend dress. I will probably just send that into ThredUp. I don't like to take pictures of black items. It just is really hard to get, you know, the details and how pretty it is in person. But, you know, ThredUp, they're good at that stuff, so I'm going to send it in to them. This is an Erin London blazer. Again, I probably won't keep it. I'll probably just go ahead and send it directly into ThredUp. This one I found a stain on, so I'm going to have to try and get it out. It's silk, so it may not come out, but we'll try. That is why they didn't take that one. This is a Banana Republic. It's not faded or anything, so I'll probably just go ahead and take it to Plato's one more time and see. This is a Chico's piece. Not really for sure why they didn't take that one. Something I also do is either I break it down for taking it back again, or sending it into ThredUp, or listing myself, or donate. So it just depends at what cycle I'm at. If it's something I just purchased, I will try to take it again, or I'll send it to ThredUp. But if it's something I've had for a while and I pulled it out of my own inventory to go try and sell, and it doesn't sell, I will either send it into ThredUp or just get rid of it, depending on where I'm at, like, feeling about the item. Like, do I really want to keep this for longer, or do I just want to get it out of my house? All right, a Banana Republic cardigan. And again, style, I'm sure it's just because it's a little bit of a crop. They don't take anything that is short or even remotely close to being a crop. They didn't take this scarf. They said they're not really taking scarves right now. They had a ton, so I'm sure someone brought in like their whole scarf collection, which I was thinking about doing, but they beat me to it, dang it. They didn't take this loft piece, and it's kind of like, it's got a little bit of peeling, so I'm sure it's probably just the style and the peeling, but if I take it to Plato's, sometimes they're a little bit more lenient on that kind of stuff. This was a Simply Bare Wang. Again, more than likely because it's more of a summer, spring style. And I'm kind of surprised they didn't take this piece, but oh well. It's a chaps, who knows. So those are only what they didn't take. If you watch my prior video, you're gonna be like, holy cow, they took a ton of items. That paid for my bins trip and then some. So I only spent like 150, it was less than 150 at Indianapolis Bins over the weekend, and I solely picked up 3/4 of the items to directly take to Plato's and Style Encore. Well, didn't make it to Plato's this week, but that's okay, because I will. I may have to make another trip to the bins because they bought pretty much everything. But yeah, I do that quite frequently. If I can buy it cheap, to flip it there, and I paid for everything and then some, like I just said. Made $317.97. I only paid $150, but that was not even everything that I bought at Indianapolis. I still have a ton to list, so all it's gonna be is just profit, profit, profit now. Let me go over what I bought for either myself or to resell for you guys. These Levi leather booties, they were like new. These were bought for myself. They had them for $25, but I had a 20% off coupon, and again, I would not have paid $25 if I was reselling, but since I'm not reselling and they're for myself, I will pay up just a little bit. These Zara shoes, these are gonna be for resale. They only priced them at $10. I can't believe it, and they're new. Again, 20% off coupon, so I paid $8. They are my size, so maybe I'll wear them a few times and just list them as used. I do take care of my items very good, so they have a good resale value if I don't want to wear them anymore. These are Jack Rogers booties, and I actually looked these ones up because I wasn't for sure if Jack Roger booties did good. These exact ones are listed for $90 to $120. They are a little bit worn. I only paid 20% off, so I paid like $12.50 for them. That is a great deal, especially if I can get 100 out of them, and then after the 20% fees, I'll make like 80, and then you have the 80 minus the $12.50. So, you know, that's a good profit right there. These are Stuart Weitzman. I cannot believe I found these. I did pay up for them. They were $32, but with the 20% off, again, I paid probably $27 something. And these are gonna do really well. They are new. This is a designer, if you're not familiar. Again, Stuart Weitzman. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it wrong. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrong, so look it up. But these are definitely worth getting at the price I paid. I could project getting 100 to 150 out of these guys. And they're my size again. Why does everything have to be my size today? So maybe I'll wear those too and just list them as used. I don't know. All right, this I bought for myself. It was on clearance, so I paid like $2 for it for Christmas pictures. I bought this one for myself too. I love Victoria's Secret, and this one had sequins on it. It had an awesome, you know, stripe down the side, and I really like the gray. They asked $17 for it. I would not pay that if I was reselling it, guys. But it's for myself, you know, so you'll pay up just a little bit more. This is a Swiss Tech jacket, and as I was shaking it, it sounds like there's money in there. Well, it's headphones. That's crazy, but it sounds like there's change somewhere. So I'm gonna look around and see what pocket it's in. But I paid 15 and 20% off, so again, $12.50, something like that. This actually, I'm surprised they had it priced so low. I think I'm gonna keep it for myself, but if I was gonna list it, I'll probably list it for $30. This I bought again for myself for pictures this weekend. I know I didn't share it with you in the beginning, guys, but I'm going on a road trip this weekend to meet up with some really big Poshmark people as well as Rake Profits. If you're not familiar with his channel, his name is Steve Rakin. Go to his YouTube channel. He's amazing. He has 125,000 subscribers or more now. And we're going to be doing some videos together, so you'll get to have some knowledge from me, some knowledge from him. So go check him out, guys, if you haven't. But I'm going to be wearing this weekend to go meet up at a Poshmark event. I got this Adidas track jacket. I absolutely loved the colors. It's for myself. They were asking 14 and 20% off, so around $11, $12. And if I list that one, I'll probably list it for $30 or $40. And I may just go ahead and list it high and keep wearing it. Again, I take care of my stuff, and when it sells, I will just pull it out of my inventory, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna see if I like it. This one is definitely gonna be in my inventory. I have not found a Victoria's Secret like this before. It's a little big on me, but that's okay. They were asking $30. That's very pricey for used Victoria's Secret, but 20% off, I paid like $26.50, something like that. And it's again for myself, so add it to my Victoria's Secret collection. Now, that is everything that I bought. I told you what I'll, resell or keep it. And then I showed you everything that they did not take. I'm going to be going back to Plato's Closet. If you like kind of videos like this, just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to do my best to put out all kinds of videos for you guys. So if you have any suggestions, just let me know below as well. I appreciate you guys watching, and thanks so much. Have an amazing day, guys.